Hello everyone. Mm, Today we will learn how to add nostalgic Urdu fonts in your WordPress blog. First of all, click on Appearance and open Theme Editor. Now open the header.php file. And write down the given code in the head section of this file. Click on Update File to save the changings, and now open style.css file under Assets, CSS unminified. And write down the single line of code in the beginning of the file. Click on Update File. Now click to create a new post to see the results of inserting the code in the theme files. First of all, write down some Urdu now insert HTML editor, custom HTML, and write down Urdu in this div. Okay, save the post and click on preview. See the preview of both codes. Let's see, number one is normal fonts and second one is nostalgic font. You can change the text aligning from right, left or center. Or you can change the line height as well.